Contaminated bliss is bliss that we receive from sensual or sensory objects that create more indulgence. So that means when we are attached to a nice book, when we're attached to sex, when we're attached to nice clothes, when we're attached to money, when we want more and more of it, and the more we have, it makes us even more thirsty, like drinking thirsty water. So contaminated bliss is something that seemingly creates happiness, but actually temporarily it seems like it's happiness, but it increases us to more and more and more. Like, okay, the only example I can think right now is a man with a mistress. A man with a very beautiful mistress thinks, wow, you know, I'm still desirable, and beautiful women still like me, and see, I can still attract. Wow, I can have my cake and eat it too. I can have my wife, my family, and they're fine, and I can also have fun. See, and in fact, that bliss that arises from showing off to his companions, the other males say, see, I can attract this, and look, she's beautiful. See, that means I'm good wife. If she's beautiful, it means I must be worth it to get beautiful, right? So that one seems like it's good, and then when he goes to bed with her, he feels like, oh wow, that was great, you know? And then when he parades around with her and she says nice things to him, she says all the things that the wife doesn't say, then he's like, see, I'm still worth it because my wife tells me the opposite. And in the end, in the beginning it looks good, but in the end, it might cost a divorce. It might cause him to lose somebody that he really loves, that loves him, his wife. It might create family discord. The children don't respect the father anymore. It sets a bad example for the children. It also, in the end, it can also be that it costs them tremendously. So instead of saving money for his children to go to college, it's wasted on the mistress. And it could be that the mistress doesn't love him, but she's saying all these things just to get money from him. Not necessarily that she's bad. He's using her also. So in the end, it leads to misery. It could be divorce, separation, unhappiness, a loss of respect, and also just him losing himself, you know, not being who he promised to be to his wife. So it deceptively looks like, wow, I'm praised by my friends, my cohorts, and wow, you know, I had great fun with her, and wow, it's such an ego boost. Oh, I'm still youthful. It can all look like that. That's bliss, but it's contaminated because that actually creates more negative karma. So this type of happiness is not happiness, it's deceptive because it invites more trouble for you. So contaminated bliss means a type of happiness that brings more unhappiness. So actually it's contaminated. Everybody understand that? So Vajrayogini has a smile on her that is uncontaminated bliss. So the happiness she experiences doesn't create more unhappiness. What is that? It's another epithet or another symbology of a Buddha.